बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो. Are you ready to get wet and wild? Welcome to our exciting rain dance extravaganza. I hope you've got your dancing shoes on because we're about to make it rain on the dancing floor.
Bursary celebrates the arrival of the monsoon season and the joy it brings. But before we dive into the fun, let's take a moment to appreciate the power of nature and the joy that rain brings. Today we are going to celebrate that feeling together.
Get ready to dance, smile and enjoy the magic of rain. On stage are
Sanmaya S. Chandran 4th A1,
Fatima Munir 4th A1,
Hadia Hassan 4th A1,
Sana Fatima 4th A1,
Zara Imran 4th A1,
Zuhra Sharaf 4th A1,
Aisha K 4th A1,
Hadia Hassan 4th A1,
Ridhima K 4th A,
Fatima Zuhra 4th A.
बारिश का बोसा है, कोसा है, कोसा है, बारिशों का बोसा है. जल 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 थल जल थल जल 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 बहता जल. नन्ना रे 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 नन्ना रे. बरसो रे मेघा बरसो रे मेघा मेघा बरसो रे मेघा बरसो. गिली 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 हाँ हा 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 हा. गिली गिली माटी के चल घरौंदे बनाएंगे रे. हरी भरी अम्बी की डाली मिलके झूले झूलाएंगे रे. धन बैजू गजनी हल जोते सबने बैलों की
that was truly a breathtaking performance. Let's give them a big hand of applause.
Mrs. Ramla Muhammad Sharif, PTA President, is here to entertain us with a melody.